um, uh, uh, mm, uh, um, uh, uh, mm, uh, uh, mm, eh, um. Alright, hopefully that's out of my system. Sunroofs. Who needs them? You think the seal's bad? Nope. Seal's brand new. The drains stop up. You got it. Perfect time to move a mobile home during a rainstorm. That's the way they did mine. Dug ruts 6-8 inches deep. Back and forth, trying to get it straight. Took me months trying to get those trenches filled in, ground leveled back off. That's neither here nor there. Do you remember those Tennessee Titan beer glasses I sold? Yeah, well, only one of them made it there intact. I don't know what happened. The only thing I could have done different was use a piece of styrofoam between them. I wrapped them each in about 2-foot section of small bubble wrap, and then I wrapped that in large bubble wrap, and I put large bubble wrap in the box, and by the time I was done, there was 2 layers of small bubble wrap, 2 layers of big bubble wrap between the glass and the box, and 2 layers of big bubble wrap and 4 layers of small bubble wrap between the glasses, and yet they still arrived with one broken. Yeah, a lot of times when you ship one item, glass, fragile like that, they'll make it fine, but when you try to do 2, whether it be bowls, ashtrays, plates, glasses, whatever, a lot of times you'll have some breakage, and that's what happened to me this time. Now, I could have offered that fella half his money back, since he did get one of the glasses intact, but my buyer had to dig through shards of broken glass, and he kept a sense of humor about it. So I gave him all his money back, 100% refund. He got a free Tennessee Titans beer glass, so I'm sure he's happy, and I'm as happy with the situation as I could be. Let's put it that way. One of y'all could have said something about the umbrella. Left it in the other vehicle. This cannot suck enough. We're at Walgreens to drop off this package. They're $2.09, I believe, each, and they're selling for $11.95 free shipping. So I guess I'll get them. I've got that, and I'm back over here, and I saw that. We can't just let him get thrown away. We're gonna have to buy that. We'll figure it out. I need to check that. It's 3 packs. I haven't seen nothing else. 2 of these are selling for $14 with free shipping. Normal price is only $1, and they're 49 cents today. Figure if I don't sell them, I'll keep them. These were $9.99, and they're $1.99. Let me look this up. Is that same dog? Not profitable items for resale, but if you need them for yourself.
Not a bad price. Well, that's where we're at now. You know how I feel about clothes, but it looks like $10 profit on each one. And that was selling for 12. It's like $1 or $2. These were selling for 12. They're $2.50 a piece. That's just stuff for me. Let's keep looking. Selling for 15 to 20. It's $2.99. Oh, that looks like a good one. Let's look some of these up. Ended up getting these for 99 cents. Ended up getting these for $1 something. And then there's this stuff. There's a bunch of it. It looks like 6 tubes is selling for $25 free shipping. And it's $1.49 a tube. So I guess we'll get it, and that should just about do it. Well, I certainly wasn't expecting to spend $91 in there, but I managed to do it. I should have known better and tried to come to Walmart on a Saturday. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. I did manage to get the lazy boy handle off this time. I'm amazed at my Torx drive fit. I just picked one up at random. I can't find my set, so I guess I'll have to buy another one. I wanted to show you this truck. I mean, don't you love that truck? Look at the exhaust. Can you see the exhaust? I could stick my head in that exhaust. That big round black thing under the bumper is the exhaust. That's just insane. Not that I'm a fan, but sometimes you see something so grotesque, you just gotta look. Anyway, I want to go over the stuff. I just spent another $42 that I didn't need to spend at the thrift store, and I'm going to go over the stuff I bought right here instead of taking it home and spreading it out and going over it. So I'll be right back at you. Alright, so this is all I got from my $42. A giant candle. I mean a big candle, 50 cents. Got this whole stack of Kettleworks DVDs. They're not really worth all that much, but some of them new sealed. And I got like $5 in the stack. 2 Sony cameras and a Samsung. 4 watches. A book on chainsaws, cause who don't want a book on chainsaws? In fact, if you're watching this video and you don't want a book on chainsaws, you're watching the wrong video. Get off my channel. Pair of infant Realtree. I don't know if you want to call those boots, because they're soft, right? So whatever those are, booties, moccasins. In the free box, there was this little sea otter. And I think he had a tag there, unless he's been castrated. And there's a whole jar of pickles. PlayStation, sports games, garbage, and then more. I haven't even looked at them. They were, like I said, they was $1 a piece, and the whole total was 46, and I had 42, and she took it. So probably 75 cents a piece into those or something. Alright, let me put this crap up and get my grocery shopping done. This will probably do it for this video. Got the part in for my truck. Looks good. Well, not so good on this side. Looks like all the mounting points are broken off. Battery's fine. Both the radio and the instrument cluster have a parasitic draw. So, yeah, that's where we're at. My PayPal account has been temporarily limited, and I cannot withdraw my money. Well now, ain't that the perfect end to the perfect day? Cheers. Man, Mountain Link has once again totally outdone himself.